Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to level up your text on Instagram stories using your cell phone or your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android, don't worry because the process is still the same. So now you just want to open your Instagram app and then make sure that your account is logged into it. Okay. And now once you've done that, just go ahead and click on the plus sign at the lower part of your screen and click on story. And now just go ahead and create your story. You can do it if you want a video or a picture. So now just go ahead and type anything you want. And now you can just go ahead and choose any fonts that you want. And now for example this one, and now you just want to click on the button like it has an A inside of it. So like that, if you choose that, the text will move. And if you choose the A with the 2 stars in it, just go ahead and do that. And here, as you can see, the text is now a color background. So you can also choose those two. And each text has a different edits, okay, or features. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.